Hello, my name is Jessica Dow and I'm applying for the estimating position at URS J.W. Williams in Waller, Texas. I have worked for this company for a few years as a document coordinator in the quality control department, and within those few years I decided to further my education in communications to help me advance in the company. I'm a document coordinator in developing high priority data book packages for each vessel we build at our facility. My communication skills and interpersonal skills, along with good track record, will help me render in the responsibilities of all documentation. Some key qualifications about myself include paying attention to detail, taking initiative to learn new skills, and take ownership of new processes. Also, I am dependable and trustworthy. No obstacle is too hard. I can multitask and deal with difficult situations. Being a document control coordinator, I am constantly under stress and pressure, making sure we are receiving all the documents for each unit, and that the drawings and travelers are properly done before issuing out to the shop. Also, I manage and prepare data books for each customer. My position should have at least 2 to 3 people helping out, but unfortunately in my situation, it's just me, and I've been able to handle all the responsibilities that correlate with the job that include scanning various types of documentation to the quality control drive, maintaining and distributing reports and logs in the Excel or Microsoft Word files, reviewing, approving, assigning serial numbers and national board numbers, reviewing and approving code calculations, and preparing UNAs in the national board system. For example, when the project management assistant brings me the drawings, I have to look over the drawings for all the information that is being done to the vessel, and put the information on the travelers for the quality control inspectors to sign off on. The most difficult situation that I have been in is when I got overloaded with data books. All the project managers wanted several completed data books for each of their customers within a short amount of time. So I told them that I will do the data books in the order that I receive the emails from them. Data books can be extremely difficult when you have to trace down the material. Not only do I have to put the data books in PDF files, I also have to print them out hard copies per the request of customers, and that usually takes a lot out of my time. After I told the project managers that I will do the data books in the order I received them in the email, everything started running more smoothly and less difficult. For instance, in the beginning when I first started doing data books, I was not completely trained on how to put together a well-organized data book, but as I got more accustomed to the data books, I figured out an easier way to do them. Also, some employees have helped with the data books to make them look cleaner and organized for customers. And we were able to convince some of the customers that it is easier to send an electronic copy of the data book rather than print them out. My greatest strength is my ability to communicate well with others and pay attention to detail when dealing with certain customers, which is why I went with a degree in communications to learn all the different aspects of communications and to apply it towards my position. My greatest weakness is also my strongest point. I always have concerns or questions when working on projects to make sure everything is running properly and I am doing it correctly. For example, when I have an issue or a problem with the data book, I go to one of my coworkers who has been helping me with the data books and deliberating on the best method for the table of contents and tracking down the instrumentation that is issued on the drawings. I want this job because it associates with the work that I already doing for the company, and it relates to the type of degree I have in communications. Also, I think it will be a huge step forward for me facing new challenges and working with new team members. You described in your job listing that you were looking for an estimator who will provide and support the estimating department, develop quotes and price workups, dealing with customers and vendors, and attending meetings as needed. I believe I would be a successful candidate who can take charge and be responsible for all of these duties and making sure everything runs smoothly. Over the years, I have accomplished an Associate of Arts degree, a Business Management certificate, and currently earning my Bachelor's in Communication, and will hopefully graduate this fall in 2014. I do have a few questions. If hired for this position, when would I be able to start? And would you allow me time to train someone in my position so that I can take this new position? Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I look forward to hearing from you.